Hi, I'm John Trishler from Specialty Performance Parts, and today I have a new video to show you the reintroduction of the Gen 3 Raptor triple fog light kits. Today featuring the Rigid Radiance or Radiance Scene. Same effect between the Radiance and the Radiance Scene. You have the amber backlights. The Radiance Scene, however, for those of you who are not familiar with those, are 3 times brighter than the Standard Radiance. At about 2970 lumens, the Radiance Scene are going to be very, very bright and still give you that amber backlight. The Radiance lights are definitely a very good option and more budget friendly at about 1000 lumens, just a hair under 1000 lumens at 900 lumens per light. And you've got 6 of them, so you still have 6000 lumens total. But the price point's going to come in really, really affordable for most people. So the Radiance and the Radiance Scenes continue to be the most popular light kit for the Raptors. And until now, until our reintroduction of a Gen 3 3-mount bracket, that was not something that you could do for the Gen 3s. But now we've solved that problem, as you see behind me, with our new triple kit. Now, when we first set out on the venture here to put together a new 3-pod mount for the Gen 3 Raptor, we didn't think we were going to be able to fit 3 of them in there because that pocket in there is a lot smaller than the previous generation. However, miraculously, we've done it and we've made it look good. I mean, I think they look fantastic. They fit in there. They're tight, no question about it, but they look great. None of the light is getting blocked from the bumper, and the fitment is just fantastic. We're really happy with the way that everything lined up. We've designed these new mounts and this new kit so that you can position everything just perfect, just the way you want it. With the new template that we provide you, it allows you to line up the lights so they're perfectly straight and aligned on the bracket before you ever put the bracket in the truck. So your lights are all ready to go and perfect. You don't have to fine tune and adjust. You can, but you don't have to make adjustments on the fly once you've put them in there. For the most part, you bolt them right in with our set template, and unless you want to change things, you're already ready to go. Everything's going to line up there just perfect. From our many hours of R&D, we were able to come up with what we feel is the best location for your triple lights. And as you see, I think they look fantastic. So let's go ahead and take the truck out and walk around it and get a visual from outside the truck and the effects of the lights and everything else. Again, these are still the same Radiance and Radiance Scene lights that were available on the previous gen Raptors. Now you can have them for your next gen Raptor as well. Let's go check them out. All right, so here we are. And here is the new Radiance light kit for the Gen 3 Raptor. Our new triple mount kit, as you can see, fits in there perfect. Many people didn't think you'd be able to get 3 lights in there cleanly, and guess what? We made it happen. So here are the Rigid Radiance lights installed in the Gen 3 2021 Plus Raptor. So you can see they fit in there just perfect. And there is our amber backlight, works right with the other lights around the truck, the marker lights, parking lights. Again, a great look. This was one of the most popular options in the previous generation Raptors, and now, once again, you can have this for your Gen 3 Raptor. Visit us at spvparts.com again to get these brackets. Let's go ahead and walk around the back side here, and we're going to check out the red backlit rigid SRLs as well. These are also very, very popular. These are some of the most popular rear lights that we've had for these trucks as well. As you can see, they have a red backlight that ties into the marker lights, parking lights, just like this as well. So it's just a great, great combination between the front and the back with your Rigid Radiance and your SRLs here in the rear. We'll go ahead and turn on the fog lights so you can see how bright they are here from the outside. And here we go. Here are our Rigid Radiance lights turned on, and you can see they've got great coverage. A nice wide and decent distance light. So these are going to give you great coverage for additional light. Unlike the DOT lights that come in the 801A package here on the Gen 3 Raptors, we give you this option to replace these lights, and now you can have your triple light kit back in your 2021 plus Gen 3 Raptor. You see a nice fitment. They fill that gap nice and well. So it's a great combination. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Check out our other videos on other light kits for the Gen 3 Raptor and other vehicles as well. And hopefully we'll see you, and we'll be able to help you with your needs on your aftermarket lighting and other solutions for your Gen 3 and other vehicles.